Today, you will learn how to fix Microsoft Word black screen on PC. First, let's start with the most common reason. Microsoft Word has a built-in dark mode, and sometimes it automatically changes the interface to black. To fix this, open Microsoft Word on your computer. If Word opens to the Start screen, look at the bottom left corner and click on Account. If you already have a document open, click on the File tab in the top left corner and then select Account from the menu. Now look for the option called Office Theme. You'll see a drop-down menu beside it. Click on that menu and you'll find different color themes like black, dark gray, white, and colorful. If your Word screen is black, it's probably set to black mode. Simply change it from black to white. As soon as you do that, the entire Word interface should become bright again and much easier to read. If you still want a darker look but don't want the screen to become completely black, you can choose dark gray instead. Dark gray gives you a softer dark mode that is less intense and easier on the eyes, especially at night. Many users prefer this option because it looks modern without making the screen too dark. Now let's fix another issue that confuses many beginners. Sometimes the actual document page stays black. In that case, we need to stop Word from changing the page color automatically. To do this, open Microsoft Word again and go to File, and then choose Options. A new Settings window will open. Make sure you're inside the General tab. Now scroll down until you find the section called Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. Here, you'll again see the Office Theme menu where you can choose white, colorful, or any theme you like. Next to that, you'll find an option called Never Change the Document Page Color. Check that box. This is very important because it keeps your document page white even when dark mode is enabled. After checking the box, click OK at the bottom. Your document page should now stay white and normal while still allowing you to use your preferred Office theme. If Microsoft Word is still appearing black or strange after changing these settings, then the issue may actually be coming from Windows itself. Windows has a feature called High Contrast Themes. These themes are designed for accessibility, but sometimes they can make apps like Word appear completely black or difficult to use. Let's check that next. Press the Windows key and the letter I together on your keyboard to open the Windows Settings app. Once Settings opens, go to Accessibility. Inside Accessibility, click on Contrast Themes. Now look for the option called Contrast Themes and make sure it is set to None. If any high contrast theme is enabled, turn it off by selecting None and applying the changes. After that, close Settings and open Microsoft Word again to see if the problem is fixed. There's also another possible reason for this issue. Sometimes your graphics driver temporarily crashes, and this can make the entire Microsoft Word interface turn black or glitchy. This sounds technical, but the fix is actually very simple. On your keyboard, press Windows, Control, Shift, and B at the same time. Your screen may flash for a second, and you might hear a small beep sound. Don't panic, this is normal. This shortcut restarts your graphics driver without restarting your computer. After the screen refreshes, open Word again and check whether the black screen issue is gone. If this video helped you fix Microsoft Word on your PC, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.